little stressed, or if you're feeling a bit anxious, or if you have joint pain anywhere, if you're dealing with the symptoms of menopause or perimenopause, and you just want some support from women who understand what you're going through, then Bloom, my yoga and wellness membership is for you. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife. I'm a certified yoga instructor based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I specialize in working with women over 40 and those who have joint pain. So I'm dealing with all of those issues. I've had various types of joint pains in knees, hips, back, shoulders, lots of different places. And so I know what it's like to have joint pain. And I'm also in my 50s, so I certainly know what it's like to go through menopause and have those really fun menopause symptoms. You know, the ones that wake you up in the middle of the night, the hot flashes, and, you know, what should I call it, brain fog, irritability, all those lots of fun things that many of us women go through in our 40s and 50s. So I created Bloom, my yoga and wellness membership, because I wanted to have support myself, and I wanted to create something that could support other women going through these changes in their bodies, and who wanted to find a community of women who understood what they were going through, and also to share the amazing benefits of yoga, because yoga is amazing for all of these things that I'm talking about. It really does help to manage our stress and anxiety. It helps us to get stronger and more flexible, to relieve our joint aches and pains. It helps with menopause symptoms. It helps with sleep. It helps with weight management. Yoga is just so amazing for lots of things. I could just go on and on and on. But so suffice to say, I created Bloom with an emphasis on yoga because I really believe in the benefits of yoga for women our age, or in their 40s and 50s, and even older, you know, older and younger too. But really, I'm focusing on the benefits for women who are in this stage of life. So just to let you know a little bit about what Bloom involves, so I do offer 3 live classes a week on Zoom. So I have 3 live classes a week, which are all tailored to women over 40. Some of them are gentle, sometimes not so gentle. My students tell me not always so gentle. I also have a yoga and a Pilates combination class, and I have a chair yoga class on Thursdays for people who are challenged to get up and down off of the floor. So I offer 3 live classes a week. Hey Diana, great to see you. Thanks for joining. Lovely to have you here. So yeah, as I was saying, I have 3 live classes a week where we get together and we do yoga together. It's all about what you need for your body. My philosophy of yoga is that it is your body, your yoga. It's not about getting into some crazy position. It's not about being flexible. It's not about, you know, standing on our heads at all. It is about doing what helps us to feel better in our bodies and minds. So in addition to the yoga, the live classes, I also have unlimited on-demand yoga, so a library of lots of different yoga videos starting from 2 or 3 minutes, because let's face it, sometimes we only have 2 or 3 minutes to do some yoga, all the way up to 75 minutes, because all of my classes are, well, many of my classes are recorded and put into the Bloom library. So I have videos on all different themes, different parts of the body, you know, for yoga for knee pain, hip pain, back pain, yoga to get us moving, restorative yoga, all different kinds of yoga videos there. I also have a library of meditations and healthy recipes, so that if you're looking for, you know, a meditation to do on your own, or you're looking for some healthy recipe ideas, it's there for you in the Bloom library. And in addition to all this great stuff, we also have talks with wellness experts. So we have had various talks with different wellness experts where we get together on Zoom and we chat about different topics. So we've had a nutritionist talk to us about nutrition for women over 40. We've had a psychologist talk about managing stress. We've had a physical therapist talk about how to help us manage our joint pain. I've had an art therapist do an art therapy workshop with us. We've had a yoga therapist talk about the mind-body connection in yoga. So I try and get different people to come and talk to the group to see, based on what subjects are interesting to you guys, to my members. So so we have lots of fun getting together to having these wellness talks. And then in addition, this year I'm adding 2 new features. I'm adding a start of the year wellness check-in. So if any of my members want to just have a chat with me about what your challenges are, want me to help them to develop a wellness plan, I can do that for you. Of course, totally optional. And I also am offering for me to be your accountability buddy. So sometimes we need a little accountability. We need somebody there to remind us to show up for class or to remind us of our goals or our intentions. So I'm also offering that as a member benefit to members this year. So that, I think, summarizes all the cool stuff in Bloom. I hope this sounds amazing to you because we have lots of fun and it is amazing for me to interact with my members. So I think that's it. I think if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. You can, if you're interested in joining us in Bloom, just click on the link below. And I think I have summed it all up.